Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to play the D major scale on the trumpet. Now before we get started, I just want to say if this video teaches you anything, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to be playing the scale for you, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Alright, so this is what the D major scale sounds like. So this scale begins with D, which is played 1 and 3. And for the D, you want to get this slide, the third valve tuning slide, out just a little less than half, so like right there is good. And you want to keep that out for the D. So this is how it sounds like. The next note is E, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is F sharp, which is played 2. The next note is G, which is played open. The next note is A, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is B, which is played 2. The next note is C sharp, which is played 1 and 2. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is D, except this time it's played 1 because we're in the second octave. So those are the notes for the D major scale. And one last time, this is how the entire scale sounds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.